In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create animated Canva slide design. We're going to keep this simple and practical by using one of Canva's built-in templates, then customizing it so it fits your own style and content. This is a great option if you want a polished animated presentation without having to design every slide from scratch. First, open Canva in your browser. Once you're on the homepage, you'll be ready to explore the design options available inside the platform. Canva makes this process beginner-friendly, so even if you've never created animated slides before, you can still follow along easily. Next, click on Templates. This is where Canva organizes ready-made designs for different formats, including presentations, social posts, videos, and more. Using templates can save a lot of time, because the layout, color combinations, and animation style are already prepared for you. After that, search for animated presentation. Typing this into the search bar will help narrow down the results so you can focus specifically on slide designs that already include motion or are designed to work well with animated effects. This is especially useful if you want your presentation to feel more modern and engaging. Once the results appear, select a template that matches the look and tone you want. Take a moment here to browse carefully. Some templates are more professional, some are more creative, and others are bold and colorful. Choosing the right one at the start makes the editing process much smoother later on. When you found the design you want, click on Customize this template. This opens the template in the Canva editor where you can start making changes. Think of this as your working canvas where every text box, image, shape, and animated element can be adjusted. Now, it's time to edit the template. Replace the default text with your own content, update titles and subtitles, and swap out any images or graphics that don't match your message. You can also adjust colors, fonts, and spacing so the presentation feels more like your own brand or personal style. As you edit, try to keep the design consistent from slide to slide. That consistency helps the presentation look more professional and easier to follow. If the template already includes animation, preview it as you work so you can see how each slide moves. This helps you make sure the timing and visual flow still feel natural after your edits. Small refinements can make a big difference. And that's it. By starting in Canva, browsing templates, searching for an animated presentation, choosing a design, customizing it, and editing the content, you can create an animated slide presentation quickly and effectively.